Section 1B, independent and dependent variables. We've already talked about if having a table where X represents the domain and Y represents the range. The X's also represent the independent variable and the Y's represent the dependent variable. So the common phrase is, what depends on what? So if you look at this question, number 8, it says Jack is buying movie tickets for him and his friends. Then they explain further that the more tickets he buys, the greater the cost. Well, that makes sense. If he buys a lot of tickets, it's going to cost him money. If he buys a lot more tickets, it's going to cost him more money. If he buys fewer tickets, it's going to cost him less money. So the cost depends on the number of tickets he buys. So when you look at this question and it says what is independent and what is dependent, well, we know that the cost depends on the cost depends on the number of tickets purchased. So in other words, cost is the dependent variable and the number of tickets he buys is the independent variable. Now that should make sense because it's up to him to decide how many tickets to buy. How many he buys is independent. It does not depend on the cost. So in this particular case, the cost is the dependent variable and the number of tickets he buys is the independent variable.